Usually when when you have to redirect through a premiere, you really have to make sure that you've scheduled your premiere, because that is going to be the most important thing to be able to use in order to redirect a premiere to a live stream or another premiere. 2 weeks ago we explored how to redirect a live stream to another live stream, and that is what is now popular, now known as the raid feature, where you can raid another live stream from your own live stream. So today I want us to see whether you can use a premiere to raid a live stream or another premiere, because a number of you have been asking me how they can be able to achieve that, and that's what informed this particular video. So you open your studio. So this is my studio, and then let me just say that I can expand it a bit there, and then from here, of course, you go to content. And then when you go to content, I come to a video that I've scheduled. So this video is private. This is actually the current premiere that you're watching. So at the moment, this video is current. So I just need to make it a premiere. So I click on that video. Then I come to visibility, and then instead of saying private, I'm going to say schedule. So I click on schedule, and let's say I schedule it on 27th. Let's say 27th at about local time, let's say about 3 p.m. Let's say 3 p.m. something like that. We can even say 26th, because that's tomorrow. And then I say set as a premiere, and then I'm done. And then once you set it as a premiere, you need to come and click on set up premiere. Once you set up premiere, you will see all these things, including a countdown, and then you'll see the redirect there. So this one, unlike the live stream which follows customization, you have to click on the premiere and set up the premiere itself, as it says up there. So you come and click on redirect, and then it gives you the same option. So if I want to search for a channel where I want to redirect, I just click on search videos from other channels. I wait for it to load. I can see everybody is live right about now, where I can redirect the premiere. So let's say I pick Sassy Global Concepts. Okay, and then you can put your trailers and whatnot. So Sassy is live. So once this premiere ends, it can redirect to that live stream. Then you save it, and then you save everything, and that's it. So sample it out, see whether it works for you. One thing that you need to know is that yes, you need to pre-schedule the premiere, know how long the premiere is going to last, so that when you are going to redirect that particular live stream, you already have an idea of when you can schedule that redirect to happen. Another tip that you can have here is if you have to redirect or raid another premiere from your premiere, again, make sure you have an idea of when that premiere is going to start, or you can wait until that premiere starts, and then now you just click on redirect when your premiere is just about to end. You can do these things when you have advanced information on when a video or a live stream is going to happen, or you can even do it when your premiere is going on, because that's actually the best option, because the premiere is live, and then the place you're going to raid is also live. So what happens is that when your premiere ends, you can instantly just bump people onto the next live stream or the next premiere. I hope this works, and I hope this helps you achieve your ends. This year is all about growing, and we are using these simple and nice tools just to ensure that we are thriving and we are growing as content creators. I hope you have a lovely day. Take care of yourselves. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.